Don't tell me. The telephone man. Babes. Babe. Babes. You okay? You sure?
Yeah. Why?
Well, what?
Why I asked if I was okay?
Oh, because you smell now, that's all. You heard?
Hey YouTube,
Yeah, yeah.
Butter's here.
She's awake now.
We're back because we wanted to try something and see if you guys had these in your area. These are the Skittles Sweet Heat. See? So we're going to try it. It says here, fruity flavors with a spicy kick. You ready?
I guess.
You want to hold them and I feed it to you? Or do you want, no, we got to do 1, 2, 3. Well, they smell good.
Yeah, they do smell good, actually.
Yeah.
I know what I'm at.
How many you have?
Yeah, that's good.
How many you have?
I have 2.
Alright, I'll take 2. They look like regular Skittles. Regular Skittles. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's good. That's Kalina. She don't want to be in her vlog. Oh, I'm starting to feel the heat. Are you sure? They get hot.
Well, I guess I was lucky.
Let me get some to Robert.
Wait a minute.
Let me see.
They don't taste bad, though. They're a little spicy. They hot, but they are a little spicy. Are you chewing them? Or are you just sucking on them?
No.
Chew. You don't like them, Kat? What happened? I missed it. What happened? What happened?
Oh, there it goes.
They're not hot, but you do feel a little spice.
Yeah. Get a little tingling on your tongue, you know? No, thank you.
Oh! I like it.
The key to this thing is...
Suck on them.
Right. Oh, that one is spicy. Ooh.
It's not bad.
Don't bite it.
You can buy it and try it.
Don't bite it.
On a scale of 1 to 5 butterflies, what do you think?
The yellow and the pink one.
My mouth is getting a little hot there, though.
The yellow and the pink one. wasn't bad. I don't know what you just put in my mouth. I didn't have the option of seeing, you know, but that was kind of spicy.
So on a scale to 1 to 5 butterflies, what do you think?
3.5.
I would give it 4 butterflies. How many butterflies you think, Kenina?
Not bad.
How many butterflies you think?
This one's nasty.
How many butterflies, Kay? 1 to 5 butterflies.
I know 3.5.
3.5 butterflies?
I dropped these. Should I give them to Sophie?
No, give her those candies. Okay, guys.
She eating something on the floor.
I gave her one.
Just
Oh.
one. Robert
Here.
sleeping.
No, I gave him some.
What did
So-
he say?
He said he's seen him at Walgreens and then he was feeling a handful and then he said he don't feel like getting high. He goes,
All right, guys. Butter and Smiley is out, and Kaylina. TTYL.
Say hi to the besties.
bye.
She's mean.
She's not in a good mood today. She had a long day.
Meow.
All right, guys. Bye.
See you later.
Dun, 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 dun.
That's the spices.
That's why I got sick in the first place.
I only had allergies. Don't listen.